Dear friends, today I will start with another chapter from the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970, and this is chapter 22, and this is about international arrangements. Okay, this chapter starts with section 133 and ends at section 139. So we shall proceed with and we shall start with section 133, and the title of section 133 is Convention Countries. Okay, so this section is all about what are convention countries and their definition, we can say. Fine. So let us proceed through our key points. Fine. Okay. So I would like to tell you one thing, that please keep the Barrett book with yourself so that to get things more clearer. Fine. Okay. Any country which is a signatory or party or a group of countries, union of countries or intergovernmental organizations, okay, intergovernmental organizations, and which affords to the applicants for patents in India or to citizens of India the same privileges that are granted to their own citizens or citizens to their member countries with respect to the grant of patents and protection of patent rights shall be a convention country or convention countries for the purposes of this act. Okay, and here the intergovernmental organizations are defined like which are signatories or parties to an international, regional or bilateral treaty, convention or arrangement to which India is also a signatory or party. Fine. So friends, first of all, please observe at the underlined words, and these are the key words to understand this section. Okay, and the main motto of this section is to define what are convention countries. Fine. What I would like to tell that another way of representing this one is this one is a specified way of explaining this section, and another alternate way of explaining this section is as follows. Okay, that's why I have written here or. This or indicates just a minute friends. That means or means the total gist is here, and this graphical or pictorial way of explanation is another alternate way of this explanation. Fine. So I have written here another way of presenting section 133. Fine. So let us proceed. First of all, a country or a group of countries are known as convention country or countries which will satisfy all these below things. Fine. So first of all, this convention country or countries must be a signatory to an international, regional or bilateral treaty, convention or arrangement, and to which India is also a signatory to this international, regional arrangements, conventions, etc., treaties. Fine. So, and here we can say by which, that means by these countries. These countries means convention country or countries by which applicants for patents in India, or we can say the citizens of India. Okay, just a minute. Okay, applicants for patents in India or citizens of India. Just a minute, friend. Just a minute. Yeah. Applicants for patents in India or citizens of India will get the similar privileges from the former country. That means the convention country or group of countries, as it gives to their own citizens or its member countries with respect to grant of patents and protection of patent rights. Okay, this is just an alternate way of explaining the same section, nothing else. This is one way and this is another way. So please go through my video, please go through the Barrett as well, and please write to me if you find the way of explaining this section is helpful for you. And please write compliments and comments in my comment box. I would be happy to answer with your queries as well. And please share my video among your friends, and please friends, subscribe my channel, click a like there. And thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you so much.